Hello everyone, welcome to IBM BAW training series. In this session, I'll be covering about process admin console component. So in the last sessions, I just given an overview about process admin console. So in this session, we'll be just deep dive into the features which are available in process admin console portal. The process admin console will be used by a administrator to manage the installed apps or to see running instances. So we'll open the process admin console portal and we'll see what and all features which are available. So this is a process admin console portal where we'll be having a tabs which is server admin, inspector, installed app and system maintenance status. Okay. First we'll see what is this server admin. Under the server admin, so we have this workflow admin. So under the workflow admin, so we have a three options to manage the cache. So here you can see you can reset the cache or you can manage the cache by using this particular link. And you want to clean up a task, then so you will be having an option to clean up the task by using this task cleanup option. Okay, so this is nothing but so you'll be deleting the running task. So the next one, if we have a health management. Under the health management, you can manage the server health by using this health management. So under the health management, you'll be having these many options. Get the event task and delete the event task which are related to UCS or replay the event task. So these are the options which are available for managing the event task. So and also we will be having option to get the count of processes. That is nothing but how many instances are running. Those details we can get by using this particular API. Okay. And also if you want to delete particular instances from a particular application or a snapshot, then you can use this delete processes by using this option. You can delete a running instance from a particular snapshot. And also you want to delete the durable subscription messages. You have this option, durable subscription API, where you will be providing the input side, you will be submitting a transaction, and then by in the backend the durable all the old durable subscription which are like older than some days will be get deleted. Okay. So the next option, we have a user management. Under the user management, we will be having a user management, group management, and bulk attribute management and user synchronize. So user management, the first option here, you can see the user which are available. You can provide the username and you can retrieve it. And under the group management, so you can create a group, and for that group you can add a user, so by using this user management option. And you have if you have any attribute setup, something like customize the attribute is setup, uh, then you can manage those attribute by using this bulk user attribute assignment. Okay. So the next option is synchronizing. So if you want to synchronize any particular user, then you can use this user synchronize option. Okay. So apart from that, we have this monitoring. So here we'll be monitoring the processes. So under the process monitoring, you can see how many instances are running, how many services are running, which is a costly service, which is running from the longer duration. And also you can see if you want to alter any processes. Example, if the process is taking more than the 5 minutes, which is a costly operation, so you want to stop it, then you can stop it. We will get an option to stop this particular process or a service. So there is a alt option will be enabled. By using that option, you can stop it. Okay. So sometimes what happens, there are some long running services or long running instances which will be impacting the server performance. Then so we'll be identifying such costly operation, costly services, and we'll be stopping it by using this process monitoring. Okay. And the next one, event monitoring. Under the event monitoring, you can see how many usages are running, and when it is scheduled. So if we have any on event UCS, then you can see how when it is scheduled and when it is executed. And if you have any time elapsed UCS, then you can see, so when it is scheduled. So which particular date and time it is scheduled, and scheduled to execute it, and when it is last executed. So those detail you can see here under the monitoring, event monitoring. Okay. And apart from that, we have admin tools. So under the admin tools, if you want to update any EPVs, which is belongs to a particular snapshot, then you can use this manage EPV, and you can select a snapshot. Then you can select the EPV which you want to update. Then later point, EPV will be get loaded. EPV will be get loaded, and you can update that particular variable which is belongs to EPV. Okay. So here I think I don't have any EPVs here which created. Um, oh yeah, here if you see. So something like log constant. So this is the EPV. You can, if you select it, any variable you want to update it. So we will be having current value and default value. So the current, when you update it, current value will be updated. Okay. So, and also you can set up alerts. For a particular process application, you want to set up, alerts. Then you will be having option to, set up, which is by using this alert definition. So apart from that, you have a performance, performance. Under the performance, you have a dashboards. So where you want to see, like you have created a, any customized dashboards to maintain the process. If you expose to the process admin console, those you can see under the performance. So apart from these, so we have a next tab which is inspect, process inspect. When you click on this one, so this process inspector will be opened. So where you can see running instance details. So here, these are the running instances, which is nine instances are active and 30 are failed. So, and also you can see process example based upon the process application you want to filter it. So I have a something like a process application discover UI samples. Under that, I can see nothing is running, no instances are running, nothing is active. So the mainly you can filter the data, and also you can see running instances, something based upon the status active, completed, suspended, or terminate or failed. Based upon this status, so you can see you can filter the running instances, and also based upon the process application or based upon the last modified date. So example, I want to, get the instances which are modified, 1st September before. Then you can see the instances here. Okay. So that's all about this inspector. So the next tab we have is the installed app. Under the installed app, so mainly I opened the, workflow tip. There you are not able to see the installed app. So but in the higher environment, something like test or UAT or production, you can see the which and all snapshots which are deployed from the dev environment. Those snapshots you can see here under the installed apps. Okay. The next one, we have a system maintenance status. So here see, you can see this server is running without any issues, and we don't have any performance impacted items. So that is nothing but it is green. So the snapshot which is allowed is 500, maximum snapshot which is allowed 500, but we have only 25 snapshot created. That is the reason it is showing a green. And also we have a unnamed snapshot which is allowed around 10,000, but it currently we have is only 1,000 unnamed snapshot created. That is the reason it's everything is fine. So instances, task, how many task is allowed is around 24 lakhs task is allowed, but currently we have is 187. So those task detail you can see here, and processes. So total 6 lakhs data instances is allowed, and 49 are is only active now. Okay, and same for durable subscription. Around 80 lakhs durable subscriptions are allowed, maximum threshold, but we have a don't zero durable subscription message now. Okay. It's mainly like whenever we are reaching to this threshold, near to this threshold, so our system will give a alert saying that you have to clean up this old data so that everything will work without any interruption. Okay, so those warnings you can see here, critical things warnings which are high critical is nothing but which are mandatorily you need to perform. Those comes under critical warning which you are reaching to the threshold. Those comes under the warning messages. Okay, so these are the options which are available under the process admin console. Okay, that's all about this video. Thank you for watching.